Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to add tagged photos or videos manually in Instagram. Go to the Instagram app from your apps list. Go to the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Tap on three vertical line at the top right corner. Tap on settings from the bottom of this page. Scroll down. Find the option Photos and Videos of You. Tap on this. Here choose how you want photos and videos of you added to your profile. Is selected Add automatically. That means whenever someone tagged you in a photo or video, that will appear automatically in your profile. To stop this, tap on this option. That's it. From now on, you can add manually the tagged photos or videos in your profile. That means you can choose which photo or video will be showing in your profile. That is how you can add tagged photos manually in Instagram. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.